everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut this stylish top. Here is what we are going to learn how to cut today. I'm using this pattern to teach you how to cut it. Now we are going to take our vertical measurement. So the length of the pattern we'll be using today is 23 inches. So that will be the top length. I'm going to mark the chest line. You can see the line I marked here. That will be the starting point. So I will mark 9 inches for the chest line, first point of 11 inches, under bust of 13 inches, 17 inches for the waistline. The length of the blouse is going to be 23 inches. So we are going to mark a straight line. So this is our vertical measurement. Now I'm going to name it straight line, bust point, waistline, and this is the top length. After doing that, we are going to take our neck width. So we are going to use the neck width of 3 inches, neck depth of 3 inches as well. Then I will connect it together. The shoulder line is 16 inches, 16 divided by 2, that's 8 inches. Then you come down by half an inch, and you connect it to the neck width. Then we are going to mark our armhole line, 8 inches, make a straight line down. Look for the midpoint, so that will be 4. Come in by half an inch. I'm going to mark our bust span. So the bust span we are using is 8 inches. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you are going to mark 4 inches all through. Then you mark a straight line. Next thing is to come to the chest line and mark our bust measurement. So the bust we'll be using is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. So we are going to mark 9.5 here. The other bust we'll be using is 34 inches. 34 divided by 4, that's 8.5. 8.5. You come down to the waistline. Waistline is 39. 39 divided by 4, that will be 9.75. Then we come to the length of the dress, which is 23 inches. You can mark your hip line at that point. The hip is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. After doing that, come at the hemming of your fabric. So you come in by half an inch on both sides so that you can connect the line together. So that's that measurement. Now don't forget we had 1 inch here, half an inch on both sides. So you are going to add it here. You add the 1 inch. So that will be for the dart taking. Add the same thing here as well. After doing that, I'm going to connect the armhole line. Now we are going to connect the line together. We are going to add 2 inches for sewing allowance. Add 2 inches. And you add 2 inches here as well. You connect the line together. Next thing to do is to measure the hem of the fabric. We have 13.5 at the hem of the pattern. So we are going to divide it by 4. That will be 3.38. Why I marked the hem of the pattern is because of the design at the bottom of the top. This is the reason why I marked the hem, so that we can achieve this. 3.38. One, two, three, 4. What we are going to do is to connect the line. After doing that, we are going to come up by 2 inches here. 2 inches here. Come up by 2 inches. Then come up by 2 inches. So what we are going to do now is to connect the line from the edge down to the 3.38. We are done with it. So what we are going to do right now is to cut our top out. So we are going to cut it out. So we are going to cut the excess out first. You have to extend it so that we'll be able to cut it out. So you ignore this. Then you cut out the dart. If you want to sew, you have to sew from the middle. That is it. Now I'm going to cut this side as well. It is very easy to cut. So if you want to cut the back pattern, all you have to do is to place this on top of your fabric, then you cut it out. If you want to slit the back, you measure 3 inches at the back here so that you can attach your button. So you can see it is very simple to cut. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and also turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. We are going to cut here. So this is it. You can see it. Bye.